Hi guys, Lindsay with the Scrap Room here. Today I'm going to show you how to add text and change the colors of my book spine designs using Canva's free online design program. I'm going to do this design in an 8.5 by 11 inch workspace so the final design can be printed out on a regular home printer on US letter size paper, but you can use any size workspace that you like. If you want to follow along with this project, you can find the book spines that I'm using for this one in my shop. I'll go ahead and drop a link in the video description. Once your workspace opens up, click on the Uploads in the left-hand column and add the SVG spines to your Canva library. Make sure you use the SVG file format, otherwise they'll just be black and you won't be able to change the colors. Once they've uploaded, you can click on one to add it to your workspace. Click on the dot in the corner and drag to resize the design as needed. To center it on the page, click the little cross arrows and drag it, and you'll see the pink Smart Guides pop up once it's centered. With the design selected, click on the color icon at the top of the page to open the color menu and choose a new color. To add text, click on Text on the left menu bar and then click on Add a Text Box. Click and drag on the rounded arrows to rotate the design and the cross arrows to move it. To resize the text, click and drag on the dot in the corner and drag, just like you did the book design, or you can also have the text selected and click on the font size in the top text menu bar. You can also change the font type and style from here too. Just make sure your text is selected and then click on the font name up in the top menu bar and it'll pop up all the options that you can choose from on the left. To add effects to your text, select your text and then click the effects option up at the top of the page. This will let you add a drop shadow, an outline. They've got lots of different great options to choose from to make your text stand out better. You could use these customized book spines for a lot of different fun projects. Group them together or use them individually to make clip art designs to use on printable worksheets or activity pages. Use them to make custom bookmarks by adding people's names, inspiring quotes, or your favorite book titles. You can create gift tags for reading-themed gifts. You could make a bunting banner or other book-themed party decor, or use them as fun stickers in your planner, journal, or scrapbook. There are so many different projects you could use for these customized book spines. Repeat the process to add more book spines to your new design and adjust the colors and book titles as needed. This set of book spines comes with two versions. I'm using the simple one-layer designs, but it also includes a two-layer design as well. You can customize the two-layer design the same way as the one-layer. There's just two color options to play with instead of one. When you're all done with your design, click on Share in the upper right-hand corner and select Download. Choose the file format you'd like to save as and click Download one more time to save it to your computer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe for more craft tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.